Hello guys, I'm Paras, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, talking about Bank Nifty hasn't really given a very strong bearish closing over here. Or I mean, it is the closing is kind of in the middle again of the range, right? This whole range that has been going on for like 6 weeks, right? This 6 weeks range is still intact over here. We were expecting that markets would move down from here if we break these lows, but again markets have not given kind of a very kind of a reassuring closing for the bears over here, right? So but talking about Nifty, if you see, Nifty has gotten a very good rejection from the top over here, and Nifty has also broken this trend line. We look at the trend line in lower time frames also. But talking about Nifty, it looks like we could see a very good correction till like 18,250 to 200 levels over here, right? Why am I saying this? Is because if you see, Nifty pretty much has given a very straight rally from 16,800 to 18,800, right? So this 2000 point rally hasn't really, I mean, seen very good pullbacks, right? So Nifty looks like if we move down, if we see a follow through, we could see a correction till at least 18,250 to 200 levels on the downside, and then we could see again an up move till higher levels, or again a new all-time high after that, right? Talking about Bank Nifty also, right? If we start moving down from here, after a point buyers will have to give up their position over here. But the way Bank Nifty has given its closing, right? If we even open with a small gap up, not a small, but if we open with a considerable gap up, we could move up also. And if we open with a small gap down or something, if we open bearish, we could move down also. So Bank Nifty is at a place where again it could move in both places, same as last week. Last week, or we were also expecting an up move or a down move on either side, right? So same thing right now also. Markets are at a place where they will decide that do we go and make a new all-time high, or do we go down, take some correction, and then start moving up, right? So talking about Nifty also, shit, my internet doesn't. Yeah, talking about Nifty also, if we open with a gap up, all the sellers who would have sold over here, they could also get trapped. So talking about in the daily charts, first of all, in Bank Nifty is kind of making a kind of a higher high pattern over, sorry, lower higher, lower low pattern over here, but the selling is still not fast. So what could happen over here is that if we open with a gap up and start crossing 40, this high, the Friday's high, we could expect a very good up move from here, because all the sellers who have accumulated over here, over here, all these places, they will start squaring off their positions very fast, and this could result into a very good up move from here tomorrow, on Monday or Tuesday itself, right? On the downside, if you open with a gap down straight up near a support, then things could be a little bit jittery over here. Again, we'll talk about that in the lower time frames, in smaller time frames also, right? Nifty over here has made kind of a double top pattern also after breaking down from this trend line. So over here, Nifty also looks very good to start a down move, way better than Bank Nifty, and we could easily expect 18,480 to 500 from here, right? So talking about Bank Nifty again, going to the 15-minute time frame and talking in lower levels, where exactly can we see an up move and down move, right? So over here, 43,800 to 820 will be a very important zone, right? If the markets open anywhere near 43,800 or 780, all these levels straight up near over here, and as soon as we cross, do not hesitate to buy, because you can easily expect 44,000 first. 44,000 will come very fast over here, because a lot of sellers are trying very hard to take the market down, but the market is not going down, right? So a lot of sellers would have kept their stop losses near 43,820 to 800, and from here we can expect 44,000 first of all easily, if we do not see again selling coming out of 44,000, which I don't expect, because 44,000 has become pretty much it has been tested many times over here. If you see, a lot of time markets have taken resistance and selling from 44,000. So at this point, I don't think we will expect again a sell off from 44,000. So markets, if they do consolidate over here, you can hold your positions for even higher targets of 44,500 to 400 on the upside in the coming days, right? On the downside, the best case for the sellers would be if we open straight up near the support, right? Now, if we open straight up near the support, what will happen is that a lot of people will start squaring off their positions, bearish positions, and a lot of buyers will start adding, coming into the system, right? This will take the market up, and once the market fills this gap up, that is when we can go ahead and take entry over here. Why do I say so? Is because now once the gap is filled, a lot of sellers will also start entering over here, and they will take the market down very fast from there. And anybody who would have created bullish positions, maybe by because they thought that okay, the market is opening at a support, we are at a good support and we'll start moving up, they will also get trapped, right? So tomorrow the best thing, and the best trade that we could get would be if we straight up open at 43,400 to 43,450, right? Now if that happens, we will go ahead and wait for the markets to go up again till 43,600, right? Basically for the markets to fill this gap. Then what will happen is that once we see a bearish 15-minute candle over here, something maybe like this candle over here, or maybe something like this also, but a pretty bearish candle, even a candle like this, then we will go ahead and take a short position over here. Our stop loss will not be very big. You can keep a stop loss somewhere near 43,680. I mean, say, assuming that the markets will take resistance from 43,600 after covering this gap, and then we will aim for very big targets on the downside, because then markets will trap all the buyers who would have entered near the support, and then the markets could move down very fast from here, and the first target will easily again be 43,400. But I think from here, if we start moving down, we can expect 43,000 very easily, right? Again, if we open flat and start breaking this low of 43,570, sorry, 43,520, then you guys can go ahead and also start making short positions. But then we'll need to wait for a proper confirmation near 43,400, because markets are coming from a very high level. So we may see a little bit of pullback from 43,400 and then again a down move, right? In Nifty, again, talking about the 15-minute chart, same thing. Above 18,750 is where we will get bullish over here, because from here we could expect a very good up move, first of all, till 18,860. A good kind of a 100-point move we can expect from here. So tomorrow, if we straight up open with a gap up somewhere near 18,750, 740, as soon as we cross this high, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish position till 18,860. Don't risk more than 30 to 40 rupees, because if the bears will start a short covering will happen very fast over here, and we could see pretty much a good momentum like this over here. So we will pretty much not need a very big stop loss. On the downside, if we start crossing 18,650 after opening, you can go ahead and take a bearish position. Your first target will be 18,600, and if the market sustain over here and do not give a very big pullback, you can kind of trail your stop loss to cost and hold it for higher targets of even 18,500 in the coming days, right? Again, if you open with a gap down somewhere near 18,600, wait for a pullback till 18,660, and once we start seeing a bearish candle somewhere near 18,660, you guys can go ahead and again take a bearish position till higher targets of 18,600 first of all, and then the targets of 18,500 on the downside. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and again, I am expecting that the markets will move down this week, especially Nifty, just given that we do not open with a gap up on Monday, because from here it looks like the way Nifty has made kind of a price action in weekly as well as daily charts, it looks like we could expect a very kind of a very good pullback till at least 18,250. I mean, at least 18,400 is a kind of a short that we can expect, and then again 18,250 to 200 also. And after that, we could see, after a few weeks, we could see again an up move happening till the new all-time high of maybe 19,000, 20,000. But that is something that is very much in the future, and who knows what will happen until then. So that is something we will discuss afterwards. And again guys, thank you for watching till the end. I hope you liked this analysis, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.